Road accidents in India every year account for at least 150,000 deaths. There's always a risk involved in traveling along the serpentine roads of any mountainous region in the world. In the last 10 years, between 2009 and 2018, only Himachal Pradesh has recorded around 31,000 road incidents in which 11,500 people were killed and 53,000 were injured. As per the Road Accident Data Management System, these incidents are mainly due to human error, which may involve overspeeding, rash driving, dangerous overtaking, drug and alcohol consumption, lack of crash barriers on outer curves. So, overall, 93% is due to human error. Known for tough geographical conditions, mountainous regions where the roads are the only major source of transportation, safety of buses and commercial vehicles is a must. How can we prevent this loss of human life? Saving human life is the most important part of this mission. Creator of this project is a marine captain and working for SonaServe. Motto of the company is SafeT takes me home, and rightly so in this project. Hence the project is titled SafeT. Concept of this project. Sensors are attached to the wheels of the bus, which are recording the spinning movement as well as the weight on the wheels in an online mode. As soon as the wheel of the bus experiences free spin or loss of weight and the angle of bus exceeds the equilibrium level, the bus starts to roll down or nosedive down the valley. It will trigger an alert to the projectiles to release the safety grapnels, which are fitted on the back of the bus. These 4 numbers of safety grapnels are connected to the wire ropes having safe working load of 5 tons each. The reels of the wire are on the load-bearing structure of the bus. Once the safety grapnels are released, they will drag and get hooked onto the trees or ledges and rocks, thus preventing the free fall of the bus, eventually saving life of the passengers. Additionally, some modification on the seating of passengers in the bus will be required to prevent body injuries due to inertial stop of the bus.